the heart, promotes weight loss, and is good for the digestive system. It is also delicious, so people love to eat white cabbage. Please watch this video of mine. I will guide you through planting and fertilizing step by step to have a big and delicious cabbage garden. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. If I want the young tree to be healthy and grow evenly, I choose old and firm seeds to help the tree be healthier. When planted, the tree will grow quickly and grow best. After sowing the seeds in the soil, I used a spray bottle to moisten the soil to help the seeds germinate quickly. Today I will use a dishwashing liquid can with holes punched around it to help the plant not to be submerged when watered, and the plant will rot. To keep the plant always moist, I took a soda bottle, punched a hole in it, and used polystyrene paper as a water pipe. I mix worm castings with soil to grow plants. When the plants start to grow roots, they will immediately absorb nutrients to grow. The seeds have now sprouted and grown into young plants. I will plant them in a can of dishwashing liquid. After planting, I put water in the bottle to help the wick absorb water from the bottle to the soil, helping the plant have a certain humidity. At this stage, the tree begins to take root. I will lightly loosen a layer of soil on top to help the tree grow best. At this stage, the tree begins to take root. I will lightly loosen a layer of soil on top to help the tree grow best. I put worm castings in the soil to help plants absorb nutrients best. At this stage, worms and fungi invade very quickly. I use chopped ginger mixed with water and sprayed on the plant. Ginger is very effective in repelling worms and preventing fungi. I puree green vegetables mixed with water to water the plants, because green vegetables contain a lot of nutrients to help plants grow healthy. Garlic also has the ability to resist pests and fungi, so I mix garlic with water to water the plants. Garlic also has the ability to resist pests and fungi, so I mix garlic with water to water the plants. Now I will harvest white cabbage to cook and share with everyone to enjoy the fruits of my growing. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.